sucker was filthy. Just cleaned the idle. Well, the throttle body. Gotta get that throttle body cleaner. Don't get that other shit according to this. I'm not no pro. Thanks to the wonderful people at YouTube. Make sure you take your battery in off too. I'm gonna re-clean that. It's not really clean. Look at that shit up there. They say you can actually clean this and put it back, but since I done replaced everything, shit, I might as well just replace it. I gotta bear with me. Gotta find a nice place to position this joint. Clean the hell out of it. What the fuck was that? Excuse my language, y'all. Make sure you get a soft cloth. You don't want to scratch nothing or fuck nothing up. Stick your finger in the hole. Come back and show y'all the finishing touches. I'm messing up over here.